The pine tree lace knitting stitch is sometimes known as the fir tree. It comprises 8 rows which make the pine tree. Cast on in multiples of 15 stitches with 1 extra stitch. This is the front of your knitting and the back is the purl. Row number 1. Knit 1 stitch, yarn over towards you, knit 2 stitches, knit 1, knit 2 stitches, slip 2 stitches onto your second needle, come from the front and pick them up and knit them together. Yarn to the front and purl 6. Purl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 6 stitches, yarn to the back, knit 2 stitches together, knit 2 stitches, knit 1, knit 2 and yarn to the front. And that completes your pattern for row number 1. And now you repeat it. Row number 2 is a purl row. Purl all even rows and you do your pattern on the odd rows. Purl to the end. Row number 3. Start with knit 2, knit 1, knit 2, yarn over and towards you, knit 2 stitches, knit 1, knit 2, slip 2 stitches onto your second needle, come from the front, pick them up and knit them together. Yarn to the front and purl 4. Purl 1, purl 2, purl 3, purl 4. Yarn to the back and knit 2 stitches together. Knit 2, knit 1, knit 2 stitches, yarn over and towards you, knit 1. And that completes the pattern for row number 3. And now you repeat to the end. Row number 5, knit 3 stitches, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3 stitches, yarn over and towards you, knit 2 stitches, slip 2 stitches onto your second needle, come from the front and knit them together. Yarn to the front, purl 2, purl 1, purl 2 stitches, yarn to the back, knit 2 stitches together, knit 2, knit 1, knit 2, yarn over and knit 2, 1, 2, and that completes the pattern for row number 5. And now you repeat to the end. Row number 7, start with knit 4, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4 stitches, yarn over and towards you, knit 2, knit 1, knit 2 stitches, slip 2 stitches onto your second needle, pick them up from the front and knit them together. Knit 2 stitches together, knit 2, knit 1, knit 2, yarn over and towards you, knit 3, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3. And that completes the pattern for row number 7. And now you repeat.